Hey, what is up, guys? How are you doing? I hope all of you are doing great and you are absolutely fine. So, I am back again and I am live on day number 4 of this 100 days Facebook live challenge. And on this day number 4 means in today's live session, I will share the reasons why you are not getting sale in your online coaching business. So, if you are a coach or consultant and you are not getting sale in your online coaching business, then watch this live video till the end. And if you are watching this live, then put hashtag live in comment section, and if you are watching replay of this live session, then write to hashtag replay in comment section. All right, so before I come to this topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Mohit Parmar and I am a founder of profitile.com, and I help online coaches and consultants to scale their online coaching business by getting qualified lead consistently on automation, so that so that they can live a freedom lifestyle, and so that they can spend more and more time with their family, with their friend, and with their loved one. All right, so now let's come to the topic, and let me share that if you are not getting sale in your online coaching business, then what could be the reason? See, if you are not getting sales in your online coaching business, then there cannot be only one specific reason. I cannot say that this is the specific reason. Just because of this reason you are not getting sale. There can be multiple of reasons. There might be multiple of reasons. Just because of these reasons you are not getting sales. Okay, so I will share 5 reasons step by step in this live session. So let me share reason number 1. So reason number 1 is not getting leads consistently. I've already shared in previous video that leads are a pipeline of any business, no matter what kind of business you are running. So if you are running an online coaching business, then leads are a pipeline of your online coaching business. So leads are must. If you are not getting leads, then there is no way to get sale. This is super simple mathematics, right? So if you are getting leads, you will get sale. If you are not getting leads, you will not get sale. So reason number 1 is not getting leads consistently. What most of the marketers, what most of the coaches do, they will generate few leads in beginning, and they will think then these leads will buy their offer, and then only they will generate new leads, they will find new leads. See, that's how things will not work. If your previous leads, if your old leads are not buying service, your coaching from you, then you have to keep finding new leads. You just don't have to depend on them. You don't have to make the mistake which already coaches are making. You have to avoid this. You have to keep finding new leads, right? Just don't depend on old lead, just don't depend on previous lead. So this is reason number 1. Now let me share reason number 2. Reason number 2 is not getting qualified lead. I shared reason number 1, not getting leads, and reason number 2 is not getting qualified leads. You can say me, hey Mohit, I am getting leads but I am not getting sale. See, if you are getting leads but you are not getting sale, then might be you are not getting qualified leads. Getting leads and getting qualified leads are completely two different things. All right, hope you got it. So the reason why you are not able to get qualified lead, the reason why you are not generating qualified lead can be that you have not done enough research on your target audience. You have not created your ideal customer. You have not you have not created your customer avatar. You have not write down who is your target audience, who you should target, what is the persona of your customer, what is their interest, what is their behavior, what is their age, what is their problem, what is their pain point, what is their challenges. You have not identified on which platform your target audience is available. You are targeting wrong person, you are targeting wrong people. That's why you are not able to get qualified leads, or you might be targeting those people who don't have money. If they have not money, they cannot spend money to buy your offer or to buy your service. Or you might be targeting students, because the student doesn't have money, student don't have money, right? So you need to target right person. You need to target those person who have that kind of problem, uh, for which you are providing the solution, right? You have to target them. You have to target those people who have money to invest, right? You have to target those people who have time to spend on themselves, to upgrade their skills, right? You have to find that kind of target audience. You have to target that kind of target audience. You have to target that kind of customers. Hope you have got it, right? Just don't target random persons. Create customer avatar, do right targeting, then you will get qualified leads. So this is reason number 2. Now let me share reason number 3. Reason number 3, you can say like, hey Mohit, I am getting qualified leads, even then I am not getting sale. Then if you are getting leads but you are not getting sale, then here comes reason number 3. So reason number 3 could be like, you are not able to win the trust of your target audience. You are not able to win the trust of your target audience. See, if your lead will know you, like you, trust you, they are going to buy your offer. They will buy your offer from you. Okay, they will buy your offer from you. And if you are not able to build trust, then there is no chance. Even the price of your offer or your coaching service is just $10, even then they will not buy, because they don't trust you. And there are a lot of scams which are happening on internet right now. There are a lot of scams which are happening, right? So you need to win the trust. And to win the trust of your target audience, what you have to do, you have to build relationship with your target audience, with your lead, on personal and emotional level. You have to create a personal and emotional connection to build that kind of trust. You have to build rapport with your target audience. You have to build relationship with your target audience, with your lead. That is super simple. And to build that kind of trust, what you have to do, as I told you, you have to you have to build personal and emotional connection. And to build personal and emotional connection, what you have to do, you have to share your story. Storytelling is the very important part to close your leads into sale. Create stories, share your emotional and personal stories, so that they can feel some kind of connection in you and with you. Okay, then create personal and emotional connection, build trust, gain trust, and get sale. This is super simple formula. Okay, so now this is reason number 3. Now let me share reason number 4. Reason number 4, you can say me, hey Mohit, I am getting qualified leads. People trust me, even they don't buy from me. See, if you are able to win trust, you are able to build, you have good relationship with your leads, with your ideal customers, even then you are not getting sales, then the reason number 4, which could be like, you are not offering the value what you are charging. If you are charging $3,000 for your service, then you have to provide at least 10x value, whatever you are charging. If they will not find the value what they are going to pay for you, they will not buy from you. They should realize that the investment which they are going to do on your words, then they are getting enough value. They are getting 10x value. That's very important to create an irresistible offer. That's why it's very important to give 10x value whatever you are offering. That's very important to give a proper solution, right? So that is reason number 4. Now let me share reason number 5, and that is last reason. Just because of that, you might not be getting sale. You might say me, hey Mohit, I am getting qualified leads, I am building trust, I am gaining I am winning trust of my target audience, and I am offering value, even then I am not getting lead, I am not getting sale. What could be the reason? So the reason could be like, you are not able to present your solution, present your offer as the solution of the problem of your target audience. Your pitch is not perfect. Your presentation is not perfect. Okay, your presentation is not perfect. What you have to do, you have to make them realize, you have to make your lead realize, you have to feel your lead like they are going to get the solution, they are going to get the result what they want to get. You have to understand their, first what you have to do, you have to understand their problem. See, most of the coaches, what mistake most of the coaches makes, when they take their lead on Zoom call, on phone call, or one-to-one call, what they will do, they start their presentation from pitching. They will start pitching and they will end up losing that lead. Because if you will start from pitching your service, your offer, then your lead is not going to buy from you. What you have to do, instead of start pitching your presentation, start pitching your offer in your presentation, what you have to do, you have to, you know, first find out their problem, find out their challenge, find out their pain points, find out their goal, try to find out their where they want to go, what they want to achieve, find out that to solve that particular problem, what they have tried in past, right? So that you don't recommend that thing which they have already tried in past. So what you have to do, you have to ask DPQ, build relationship, asking DPQ question, deep down question. You have to keep asking question. You have to keep proving your lead, so that you can learn more about them, so that you can gain, you can know more about them, so that you can get enough knowledge, who they are, what they want, where they want to go, where they want to reach, what they want to achieve, what is their challenges, what is their problem. Never ever start with pitching your presentation, never ever start with pitching. Okay, first understand them, first understand their need, understand their problem, their pain point, then only pitch your offer. Then only once you get the clear picture that your target audience want this, what is the motivation behind this particular goal, once you get it, then only start pitching. And there are multiple of questions which you need to ask before pitching your offer to them. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to present your offer in a way, in such way, so that they realize, they feel they are going to get the solution of their problem, they are going to get the result. You have to, people don't buy, people don't buy courses, people don't buy mentorship program, people are not looking for these things, people are looking for the solution, people are looking for the results. So you have to offer them, you have to make them realize that they are going to get this, they are going to get what they want to get, what they want to achieve, they are going to get the same thing, right? Okay, hope you have got it. So I have shared 5 reasons why you are not getting sale in your online coaching business. Now let me repeat all these 5 reasons again. Reason number 1, you are not getting leads consistently. Never ever depend on your previous leads, keep finding leads over the time. Okay, reason number 2, you are not able to get, you are not able to generate qualified leads. Getting leads and getting qualified leads are very important, very different things. Okay, so before approaching people, before approaching your target audience, first you have to create customer avatar. You have to identify your target audience, what is your target audience, whom you should target, whom you should approach. Reason number 3, you are not able to build trust. Reason number 4, you are not offering the value, that kind of price you are charging. Okay, reason number 5 is that you are not able, your pitch is not perfect, you are not able to present your offer as the solution of the problem of your target audience. Okay, hope you have got it. So if you are not getting sale, if you are not getting sale, what you have to do, you have to make perfect each and every step. If you will make mistake in any one step, then you will lose the sale, you will lose the deal, right? You have to, what you have to do, you have to make each and every step perfect. Okay, and to make each and every step perfect, what you have to do, I have already shared in this particular live video. All right, so now let me end this live session. Before I end this live session, let me share one more thing, that if you are a coach or consultant and you want to scale your online coaching business, or if you are struggling to generate leads consistently in your online coaching business, or if you are not getting sales in your online coaching business, then message me in Messenger. Feel free to message me in Messenger. I would love to help you. All right, so guys, this is the end of this live session. Thank you so much for watching this live, or thank you so much for watching the recording of this live session. All the best. Have a great day, great night whenever you are watching. Thank you. Bye bye.